So here I swap the living room and all room, okay? Now I will mopping the living room and all room, okay? So I collect the garbage. Now I will put it outside. And now, friend, as you see, I take out all clothes from the cupboard. I will arrange it, okay? So I take all my clothes, my husband clothes in this basket. This and this and this. And now I will clean the cupboard, okay? I will arrange again. Every 2-3 days I do that. I need neat and clean clothes. So I take like this, and I take one basket, then second, third, and fourth, and I arrange it in the cupboard. Okay. So see you later. Hello friend, today I will make milkshake on my way. Okay. For that, first of all, I need ice cube. How much you need, you add. Okay, some ice cube, and I will I will crush it. Okay. I have option. 1 minute. I will close the. Okay. Okay, now I will crush it. Okay. I will add some water now. One cup, okay? 1 cup of water. Or half cup of water. and I will crush it again. Okay. So I crushed, okay? Now I will add the ingredients. First of all, I will add dry whips, okay? Cream whips. I will add 1 packet, okay? Dry whips, okay? Dry cream, okay? 1 packet. سو حبايبي نضيف ظرف من كريم ويب اللي هو بودرة الكريمة. Okay. So friend, I will add 2 of any cheese you have, okay? Creamy cheese. You add 2. I have this one, I will add 2. حبايبي نضيف 2 من الجبنة الكريمية، أي جبنة عندكم. أنا عندي الجبن هذا مثلثات. الحين نضيف أربع ملاعق من البودرة، اوكي، من حليب البودرة. 4 ملاعق حليب بودرة. 3 4. So friend, 4 spoon of milk powder. Okay. ثلاث ملاعق من السكر الناعم. So friend, 3 spoon of sugar powder, okay? 3 spoon. Okay. I will add all favorite, yes, Nutella. Okay, I will show you. Nutella, how much you need, you add. I will add 3 spoon. Enough for me. Medium like spoon. Three spoon of Nutella. Okay. And then what else? Of course, sorry. Of course, you need strawberry. Okay. If you don't have strawberry, you can add strawberry gel. Okay. Strawberry jelly. Okay. Or if you have strawberry, you add strawberry. I have strawberry. I will add strawberry. Sorry. Now I will add the water again, full. How much I needed, like that. Now okay. Now I will cover it. I will see. Just a minute. Sorry, I don't know why I have. Yes, like that, I think. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now I will mix it together. I will mix it good and I will see you. So the milkshake is ready. As you see, very yummy. Hope you like it. Hello friends, today I came with whole video. First of all, I buy two dinner set. First of all, this one came in 16 pieces. Okay, and it have like red color here, green color and gray. I choose of course the green color here. So it came with 4 pieces dinner plate, 26 centimeter, 4 pieces dessert plate, 21 centimeter, 4 pieces bowl, 17 centimeter, 4 pieces mug, 350 cc. I can't open today in this video. I will open it in another video, okay? But it came like this, okay? 16 pieces. Also, I buy this dinner set, 44 pieces. In another video, I will make unboxing. Today, I can't make the unboxing. Need time. So, this one, 44 pieces. Same color, same piece, okay? Also, I buy this dinner set, 44 pieces. In another video, I will make unboxing. Today, I can't make the unboxing. Need time. So, this one, 44 pieces. Same color, same piece, okay? Also, I buy some beauty item. First of all, I buy raspberries like body mist. Okay, very yummy smell. And this one, Harim Sultan mist, but the smell is like perfume, you know, very yummy smell also of this Harim Sultan mist. I buy these socks type apricot mask for foot. Okay. Also socks type mask for food like charcoal, okay? Also I buy this heating moisture hand mask, shea butter, okay? For hand, this one. All of them in instruction on the back. Also, I buy these multi-purposes massager for foot or for face, okay? Work by battery, AA battery, okay? And have so many accessories for different use, as you see, okay? So many accessories, okay? It came in this box, very nice for storage. So I am the YouTuber, I need this thingy, so I buy it. First of all, this thingy here. Here is the mirror, ring lights and phone holder, and stand like this. Easy for me if you like to make like makeup tutorials or whatever. You can use this thingy. Very nice. Okay. Also, I buy video making set. In another video I will make unboxing and review, okay, for all, for this one and for this one and all. This one kit, video making kit, as you see, it came with like holder, okay, and phone holder and light and mic, okay, good for bloggers. Also, I need some mic, and I bring the mic, and I buy this LED table lamp. Okay, table lamp. Maybe it's open. Yes, see. Okay, let's make a folder like this. In another video I make review. That's for today. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy. هذه مشترياتي لليوم حبايبي، واتمنى تعجبكم، وان شاء الله ما تحتاجوا اي ترجمة. واضح في الصورة والشكل. दोस्तों ये थे मेरी छोटी सी शॉपिंग, आपको पसंद आई होंगी। مع السلامة حبايبي، أحبكم وتحبوني. खुश रहना और खुशियाँ बांटना. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Bye bye. So friend, now I will upload the last day videos, and I will editing today videos. Okay. Okay. Then it will open. Okay. So this is I'll change the name. Alright. Look. Okay. And this will be go direct to you. Okay, I will upload it, then I will editing the today video. Okay, so here I will finish this video, small vlog I can say. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Until another video, stay home, stay safe. So حبايبي، هنا أنا اليوم مثل ما شايفين بحمل الفيديو السابق. اوكي، وإن شاء الله بمنتج هذا الفيديو لليوم، وإن شاء الله وهنا أنا بختم هذا الفيديو، وأحبكم وتحبوني، وإذا حبيتوني أكيد اشتراك وتشير وحبوني أكثر. ومع السلامة दोस्तों। ये मैं कल के वीडियो के अपलोड कर रही हूँ, फिर आज के वीडियो को एडिटिंग करती हूँ। यहाँ तक मैं ये वीडियो ख़त्म करती हूँ। खुश रहना और खुशियाँ बांटना। सबसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ। अगर ज़रा भी प्यार करे तो प्लीज़ comment, share, subscribe, like if you like. Bye.